Today, I will present to you two Bespoke products: the Bespoke washing machine WF8900B and the Bespoke dryer DV8900B. Now let me share with you some pretty cool PODs. Bespoke design, AI OptiWash AutoDispense System, AI Optimal Dry, and Super Speed Dry. Let's begin. The first thing to mention is the Bespoke design. We are paying a lot of attention to the design in order to make your laundry room elegant and luxurious. Shall we look at the exterior design first? It has a seamlessly minimalist and stylish design, and the new Bespoke washing machine has adopted a flat design with clean lines, like a custom suit that harmonizes with your surroundings. Not only does it have a flat design, it also has the large capacity of 5.3 cubic feet. According to a customer survey, the purchase preference increases significantly as the capacity exceeds 5 cubic feet. Our Bespoke washing machine has the industry's highest capacity of 5.3 cubic feet. So the 5.3 cubic feet capacity is definitely an attractive purchasing factor for customers. And the dryer also boasts an ultra capacity of 7.6 cubic feet. Now, 4 new colors will be released. For the 4 color variations, customers have more choices in how to design their laundry space and interior. We have to talk about the dryer too, right? The Bespoke washing machines and the dryers are flexible enough to install as you like, and washer and dryer just go perfectly together. The washing machine dryer can be arranged side by side, and you can add a pedestal below. With this pedestal, you can store all the items that you need to do laundry that might make your space look messy. It's sometimes difficult to organize any open space on the sides, so simply stack the dryer on top of the washing machine. By placing it like this, the newly freed up space can be used for an air dresser or other storage placed on the left or right. If the control button is up here, how am I supposed to operate it? You don't have to worry at all. The multi-control kit in the back is linked, so all the functions of the dryer can connect to the washing machine below. If you press the dry button of the washing machine, with a multi-control kit, you can completely control all the functions of the dryer in the washing machine below. Samsung's Bespoke considers not only design, but also capacity and convenience. This will continue to be one of Samsung's important advantages that no doubt will impress our customers. AI OptiWash. With AI OptiWash, laundry can be done automatically in better detail than before. This is possible because there are 5 ways of multi-sensing: wash load, fabric, water level, soil level, and detergent level detection. AI OptiWash achieves optimal washing, including improved cleaning performance, reduced time, and fabric protection. Shall we take a look at how it works? First is the wash load sensing. Put the laundry in and press the button. It automatically detects the weight of the laundry. The second step is what we call fabric detection. After detecting the weight, a little water starts to flow in to wet the laundry. This figures out how much water is absorbed into the clothes. Depending on how much water is absorbed, it can determine if the loads are light, normal, or heavy. Let me give you an example. One is a thick and absorbent fabric, and the other one is a thin and mild fabric. The weight is almost the same. Put these clothes in the water and put them back up here. As you can see, the amount of water absorbed varies greatly depending on the material. Fabric detection can notice this difference. In particular, if light loads are detected, It automatically adjusts to the gentle care setting, resulting in a definite reduction in damage to the fabric as the drum gently moves the clothes around. The third is the water level sensing. It automatically injects the appropriate amount of water and detergent according to the weight detected. As it's washing, the degree of contamination of the laundry is different for each laundry load, right? Soil level sensing then determines the difference of dirtiness. The soil level sensor is located at the bottom of the drum that contains the washing water. As a result, when detecting that the clothes are heavily soiled, there's an improvement in washing performance. And if it's detected that the clothes are lightly soiled, the washing time is reduced. Finally, detergent level sensing. The remaining amount of detergent is detected in the automatic detergent box in real time, conveniently alerting you when a refill is needed. The AI OptiWash will refine the washing process to create a more optimized washing performance. One more point of this is turbidity sensing. Turbidity sensor detection is Samsung's patented technology. The water passes through here, sensing the soil level. I'll show you to help you understand. The light is passing through the middle. If a lot of contamination is present in the water, the transmission rate of the light reaching the other side decreases. On the other hand, what if the water pollution is low? The transmittance increases. In case of a high degree of contamination in the laundry, the washing machine adds more detergent and then increases the washing time and the number of rinses to wash thoroughly. If the contamination of the laundry is low, the washing machine ends quicker than the designated cycle time to save time. If there is no sensor and the clothes are highly contaminated, because the washing and rinsing time are fixed, you might be dissatisfied with how your clothes comes out after being washed. Our turbidity detection is very good at eliminating wasted time and energy. AI OptiWash is one of the most important benefits, allowing automatic adjustment to the entire laundry process, according to the soil levels for a worry-free wash. The AutoDispense System. The AutoDispense System automatically dispenses detergent and softener in the optimal amount whenever washing, so it's really convenient. It's very troublesome to measure detergent and softener every time you wash clothes. You might approximately guess how much you need by just looking, but too little detergent might decrease the washing performance, when, on the other hand, too much detergent leads to residue on the fabric, even after the rinse. But the AutoDispense system won't do that. How it works is simple. All you have to do is put in enough detergent and softener in advance. Our AutoDispense system can hold enough detergent for 32 loads. The AutoDispense system not only reduces inconvenience, but also saves detergent at the same time. This is an important benefit. The new detergent storing capacity is bigger than the previous model. Of course, if the detergent is running out, the refill notifies you when you turn on the washing machine, so you don't need to worry about that. Okay, now let's talk about the Bespoke dryer DV8900B. AI Optimal Dry. It's known how sensitive consumers are about dryers and their high energy and time use. AI Optimal Dry is a truly new automatic drying feature that detects the condition of the fabric and ensures reliable drying quality. Right here. You can see just by looking at it that the size of the sensor has gotten bigger. The previous dryer model had Sensor Dry, which uses temperature and humidity sensors. Now it has an upgraded feature to detect the rate of change in moisture in the clothes from the beginning of drying, making it possible to customize and dry clothes according to the condition of the clothes. So this helps to dry out thick and heavy clothes evenly. In the case of thin and relatively small clothes, it reduces damage caused by excessive heat. We can select AI Optimal Dry function. Please share with customers about the benefits of our AI Optimal Dry feature. Lastly, Super Speed Dry. Exactly as it sounds, Super Speed Dry can finish drying clothes in 30 minutes. Take a look. Right here. You can choose the Super Speed function and dry your clothes in 30 minutes. It continuously monitors the water content. It quickly evaporates moisture as quickly as possible. If you have a perfect pair with the Bespoke washing machines, simply use Super Speed to wash a full load in just 28 minutes. Then, 30 minutes of drying time with Super Speed Dry. So you can finish washing and drying within only an hour. Super Speed Dry dries quickly on its own. This is a great advantage for our customers, helping them to enjoy doing their laundry. One last thing. This is the clothing care service of SmartThings Home Life. You can set your own greeting message. Also enjoy a new laundry experience through the AI recommendation cycle, or set your own course. The course completed in the washing machine is not only in the dryer, and the air dresser automatically has a cycle link, so integrated clothing care is possible, and more features will be updated. In the future, I will share with you another amazing product in Samsung's unique technology content. Thank you.